Okay, listen up, because we're Group B Rally Tragics through and through, and what we're about to show you is anything but normal. This is the BMW GINA, and yes, it can literally grow its own rear spoiler. No hydraulics, no solid panels, just shape-shifting, mind-bending design sorcery. But wait, you're probably thinking, cool, but where are the actual essentials, like headlights, indicators? Relax, BMW thought of that. That fabric you see on the rear, it's translucent, so when you get brake or indicate, the lights shine through like magic. It's subtle, sleek, and totally visible to the guy behind you. But the real party trick, it's up front. The headlights don't just turn on, buds, they emerge. The front panels literally peel open, like a pair of eyes, revealing the beams behind them. Yeah, it's not lost on us either. The GINA blinks. People. So if you ever wanted a car that looks like it escaped from a sci-fi rally stage, you're looking at it. This isn't just a concept. It's a statement. Logo splash. Subscribe. Reminder. Smash that like sub if you're into mad machines, and drop a comment if you'd drive one.